माय चैनल। इट्स मी वंस अगेन जायचे। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप सभी को मेरे चैनल में स्वागत करता हूँ फिर से, और मैंने आप सभी को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ गाइस, फॉर योर लव, फॉर योर सपोर्ट, फॉर योर काइंडनेस, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So in today's video guys, I will be sharing you guys regarding my room, how much I spend in this room, and then how much I pay for a single room here in Delhi. So recently you guys have been asking me about like how much I spend, how much is the rent fee. So finally today I'll be sharing you guys. I went out to search for new room, and then sadly I can't find one because it's very hard nowadays to find rooms here in Delhi, like the place where I'm staying, like the place where high advantage is there. So first of all, let's get started with the room ambience. Hi my tortoise, hello. He is the best swimmer, okay, he is the best swimmer. Before leaving for like, I change his water and then I put some fruits for him. He's eating a lot these days. So as you can see here, this is the condition of my room, and it's a single room, kitchen and washroom attached, okay. So this is the door, and this is where I hang some of my jackets, my pants, and here we have a window, but it's, you know, right to the next room, so this is closed permanently. And here you can see this is where I keep my small luggage here, and then these are my clothes. I have to cover it because I'm in a rooftop and then it's very dusty, so I have to cover it all the time. So these are my clothes, my dress, which I bought it from Sarojini market most of the time, and here as well some mattress cover, and then some clothes, some blankets, small blankets. And this is where I sleep. This is my bed guys. In the upcoming days I'm actually trying to, you know, upgrade my room, like put curtains and then buy like single bed like that. But few days back my rent owner, he asked me to search for another room, or else if I want to continue staying here, then he'll increase the rent fee. So right now currently I'm paying 6,000 for this room without electric bill, okay. And he said from starting from March he will increase it to 8,000, which is not quite reasonable when we see the condition of the room. This is where I sleep. This here right near the pillow I have my charger port, station cord, and this is the light. It's a tube light, and as you can see guys, the condition of the wall, see all the paints and the, you know, put in, it start coming out, it start falling by itself. And here as well you can see here, here, and then here, everywhere I'll say. This is the window. Since I don't have a lock, I put this one rope, and then this is the view. These are my neighbors, okay. So in the morning the sunrise from this direction, and I get a very, you know, good natural sunlight from this direction. And one problem is that since I don't have any locks, and when it rains, the rain, like sometimes it comes in, and then as you can see here now, you can see these marks. These are because of the water. So if you want any number, you can get it from here. This is the window guys, and as you can see here, this is my table where I keep my laptop, some stuff, and then my turtle. He's the king here, okay, he's the king here. And as you can see here, these are my bags, my laptop bag, my side bag, and then my tiffin bag. So this is where I hang my bags. And weight, we have like two, I don't know how to say regarding this. Police, some stuff here, as you can see, soaps and all. And up here we have a fan. Yeah, see, during summer it's, you know, quite hot, and this time I think I'll surely need to get one cooler as well. So this is all about the room, and next let's go to kitchen and then see the condition of the kitchen again. Okay, let's take a look inside my kitchen again. Okay, so guys, the kitchen is quite big. It's not that small, and then like 2 person can fit easily. Tutgya color. I have my stove here, and then drinking water, my utensils, and then here we have the tap. One problem I'm facing here, like continuously most of the time, is about the water, guys. The water is not unlimited right now, though it's available, because like few hours back during daytime the house owner turn on the water and then they get some water. So the problem here is the water is not unlimited, and most of the time I need to fill the water, you know, while I'm sleeping. The house owner will turn on the, you know, generator, and then he'll give us water. So I'll need to get some water, I'll need to fill some water. So there is some issue with water here. And then here is one small ventilator, which is quite helpful, and also it brings a lot of dust from here. And there are some stuff. Okay, so this is my kitchen condition, and as you guys have seen, like in my previous video as well, this is where I keep my veggies. This is where I stock my veggies. Okay, you can see here onion, potato, tomato. So, and then there I keep my cylinder. So this is the condition of my kitchen, guys. It's quite good for 2 person, though it can fit very well. See my tiffin. Now let's go to washroom. Let's see the washroom condition again. Okay. So this is my washroom. See, guys, and also here we have like small ventilator, which is quite helpful. And this is the condition. I need to fill this water all the time. Right now, though, it's available and the water is still there. There are like 6 rooms down there, so we run out of water very quickly. So I have to fill the waters all the time. And then like when I go to the office, and sometimes I miss out. It's not that bad, it's good, it's not that small, it's not that bad. Okay guys, so finally this is all about my room. And for those of you who asked me regarding the rent price, the room price here in Delhi, so I'll say that here in Delhi the room price, it depends on the location, it depends on the area where there is high advantage and less advantage. Okay, so for example, the place right now where I'm living, Munirka, there is a lot of advantage, like you can find everything, every Northeast product, and then like metro station is nearby. And then regarding the traveling and all, the advantage is very high. I'll say it's a right station, it's a right, you know, spot. That's why the prices here and another location, it's there's little bit difference. Here in Munirka, for a single room, like the room which I stay right now, attached to kitchen and washroom, it will cost around like minimum 8,000, I'll say, here in Munirka, maybe 7.5. It depends on the room condition as well. And like Maharani Bagh, where there is lot of Northeast people like Manipur people live, it's same as Munirka, like you'll get it by 7.5 8,000, and then maybe higher than that. As I've said, it depends on the room condition, guys. And places like there is less advantage, like where there is no metro station available, where there is like less availability, I'll say there will be like you can get it for 6k as well, 6.5 SK as well. It depends on the condition, it depends on the room condition, it depends on the like location and areas. So this is all about it. And right now I'm paying 6k for this room, but recently my rent owner, he told me that he'll increase it to 8,000, which is quite not reasonable. And when we look at the room condition as well, it is quite too high. The price is quite too high for this room. So thank you so much, and in my next video I'll share you guys regarding my BPO job and salaries, and then how to apply for BPO companies. So if you are enjoy watching my videos, thank you so much for watching once again, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye, good night.